Ron told me that he could not come. Before I was here, I was also helping them. I also love you and I continue loving you. And if you need my help, I can always help you. And you're always welcome to. And of course, I thank those who prepared everything for the Kunala. Wherever I go, I know I will be here only for a moment. This is only a moment. That's why my philosophy in life is that we always grab every moment because it's only passing, it's only temporal. We grab it every day and we enjoy life.
Okay. Sana hindi minto yung
not deserving of such attention. I'm just a simple person and I'm not used to being. I really appreciate your gesture of love, and rest assured that I will try my best to be not a priest up there on the pulpit, but a person like you and me, struggling to be good. Total the Glicken Liebe. This is the. And Father Pinsky was there when I arrived at Brighton Fort, and he was assigned to the Philippines, and he loves us Filipinos.
Actually, my place is for mobile motor, troubleshooters, and panamit butas. It's alright. Paladong, happy birthday. Katulad na ino-over pa kami. Hindi pa sa ulo. So, that's how we treat each other dito sa community. And as a big brother, as an older brother, I wish you everything best and good in life.
Mehares.
So, Father Dong, in behalf of the Boholanos and friends, we'd like to greet you happy birthday. Inabot ka sa diri sa Austria para tungkol sa atong mga Boholano and friends, hinaot ng atong project na gusto na itong himuon. It will be a success.
Father Dong Dong, in behalf of my daughter Grina and my fiancée Lalibeth, we wish you a happy birthday, and I'd like to make mention that with your messages and your homily, we exist because you exist within our existence, and we hope you keep us with this light, a serving light. Continue with this simple light, with your guidance, and guide us to Christianity.
Father Dong, happy birthday. And we are really blessed that you are here with us. We know that God has sent you to us to help and guide us in our spiritual journey. And in behalf of CFFL, we want also to wish you a happy birthday. And God will bless you always. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Father Roman.
Father Dong Dong, a very happy birthday to you. You have heard from everybody, and I will just repeat the message. You are a gift of God for everybody who knows you. Happy 40th birthday, and here's to the next. Father Dong Dong, Sie haben es schon öfters gehört von vielen Leuten. Sie sind ein wahres Gottesgeschenk für alle, die dich kennen. 40. und auch die nächsten 40.
Brother Roman Hilera, please.
May you have many more birthdays to come. In behalf of the Filipino Sigoto Streams Gemeinde and friends, and especially Father Ron, he would bridge to us. If I could only sing "Bridge Over Troubled Water," then I would have you this song. But additional faith, deeper faith in God, and for teaching us and sharing us your happy birthday in behalf of my friends from the PGG community and my family. Healthy life, a good life, a prosperous life.
God for bringing you to us, guiding us in our journey of faith. And salamat po, Father. We wish you a happy birthday and more power to you. And may God bless you.
Thank you very much. Let's call on Ate Jojo Arellano. And after her, Boboy Lotario. We're ready.
Just continue. More power, parang wala na.
Hello, Father Dong. Wishing you all the best, Father Dong. Again, you said in your homily, you are a gift from God. Quotes this, das maaf mit Leuten bedienen oder die Predigt oder good example to everybody. Maligayang, maayong, that's why he is one of our spiritual advisor as in our family, and wishing you all the best, Father Dong.